Are there questions about how mutual funds work? This video breaks down the basics in just a few minutes. What is a mutual fund? A mutual fund is a pool of money from many investors, combined to invest in a variety of assets like stocks and bonds. Fund managers handle all the buying and selling, so there's no need for personal management. Investing in a mutual fund means buying shares of that fund. The value of those shares fluctuates based on the performance of the underlying assets. Why choose mutual funds? First, they offer diversification, spreading money across many assets to reduce risk. Second, mutual funds are managed by professionals. Fund managers conduct research and make decisions, so expertise isn't required. Lastly, mutual funds are accessible. Many funds allow investments starting at just 100 rupees or 500 rupees. Here's how they work. When investing, shares of the fund are purchased. The value of each share is determined by the net asset value, or NAV, calculated daily based on asset performance. If the assets perform well, the NAV increases, raising share value. Conversely, poor performance leads to a drop in both NAV and share value. Most mutual funds focus on different investment types. Equity funds invest in stocks, bond funds invest in bonds, and balanced funds mix both. Like any investment, mutual funds come with fees. The primary fee is the expense ratio, an annual fee covering fund management costs, typically ranging from 0.1% to 2%. Some funds impose a sales charge called a load, either when buying, front-end load, or selling, back-end load, shares. However, there are no load funds that don't charge these fees. Starting with mutual funds involves choosing a fund that aligns with investment goals and risk tolerance. Reading the fund's prospectus is essential to understand its strategy and fees. In conclusion, mutual funds provide an easy way to invest in a diversified portfolio managed by professionals. They are ideal for beginners or anyone seeking a straightforward, long-term investment strategy. If this video was enjoyable, liking, sharing, and subscribing for more investing tips is encouraged. For updates, call or WhatsApp 088792210007 and subscribe to the channel.